Hi guys! So today our vlog is about unboxing. Unboxing my new iPhone 12. Yay! So focus me a little bit. Camera woman. So we're gonna unbox it now. We're gonna open and let's see what's inside. So the phone right here. This is the fun part right here. Have this and just wrap it off, guys. Wrap it off. There you go. There you go. Peel it off, guys. Peel it off. It's gone.
So let's see what's inside. Oh, my phone. So what's inside? Let's see. There's my phone. It's gold. Still gold or silver? No, it's silver, guys. Sorry. Yeah, it is some problem. Yeah. I'm gonna compare you with. This is the iPhone.
Phone 12 Pro Max. The big one. Yeah. So right there. So, and this is the one I used to have. An iPhone 10. So see the difference, guys. The iPhone 10 got the camera, and then the 12 and sizes. Yeah, it's like a television. This is huge. Well, I like it because I like to watch videos in YouTube, so I ordered the bigger size. This is the iPhone 10.
The one I used to have. And this is the one my husband ordered for me. Yeah. Thank you so much, my husband. Yeah. So we're gonna peel it. Inside, guys. There you go. I'm not gonna touch the screen. I'm just gonna put it right here. We're gonna see what else in the box. Like charger. Yeah, the charger, guys. Then of course the there. Got this Apple sticker. Apple sticker, guys. Then got this a pen that you use to put the SIM card. And of course the manual. So that's it, guys. So let me try. See, that's it inside the box. So let me try to open my phone. Turn it on. We'll try to turn it on. If I figure it out, there you go. It's turning on. I don't know how long. Going. That's Apple, guys. It takes a little bit longer. Hello. Yes. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bonjour. See? Complete greetings. Chinese. Yep. I don't know what is that. Japanese? Korean? I'm a Filipino, so. What happened? Okay. Why is it coming back? Oh, I have to. There you go. So I have to do English. English. Country, United States. Okay, we have to do set up. Bring your current iPhone. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, guys.
My current iPhone, the iPhone 10 I showed you earlier. So set up a new iPhone. Unlock to continue. Okay, unlock to continue. It says unlock to continue. So passcode. So I have to put passcode. Ito. Okay. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running iOS 11 and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also, it's this right there, guys. So, what's happening next? I don't know. I'll try to. So, guys, let me just clear it to you guys. I'm not really a computer geek, you know. So the only stuff that I know on phone is, of course, first thing is it has to have a good camera. I'm Asian, so it's all about pictures, you know. I don't care what phone is it. As long as when I take picture, I look pretty. That's all that matters to me. I don't care, you know. It's as long as I look white, I look pretty. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So right now, so we just try to do sit up manually. We'll try sit up manually. Sit up manually. Okay. Wi-Fi. Denmark, could you come over here? Put me the password here. Babe, come. Yeah, see? It's a lot of stuff going on here. It's asking password on our Wi-Fi. Of course, I don't know what's the password, so I'm going to call my son, and he's bringing our dog. So let Chippy. Okay, Chip, move a little bit, Chin. Okay, sit up. Okay, include Chippy in the video. Chip, we need to set up our new phone. Mommy have to set up her new phone. This is a different kind of vlog, guys. We have all the puppies and everything. As I said, this is a different kind of unboxing video you can see. And then now, I'm not sure. Maybe Kuya forget the password.
Because I try to set up manually. This is my old iPhone. What is it? Oh, so it says, it may take a few minutes to set up your phone. Let's see if that minutes will become an hour. Oh, daytime privacy. That's quick. Okay, daytime privacy. Continue. Face ID. I don't like Face ID, guys. I'm told you I'm old school, so I'm just set up later. Okay. Then I have to pay password. Yeah. I have to pay password. Enter. There you go. It's working. Choose how you want to transfer app and data to this phone. Restore from Mac, transfer directly from iPhone. Directly from iPhone. Oh, I can directly from iPhone. I can directly from iPhone and it just
Back there. I don't know.
The states of Michigan and Georgia held formal hearings in their respective state capitals.
Choose how to transfer apps. Data. I said that transfer directly. I said transfer directly from iPhone. Oh. Directly. And it does. Do it again. I told you guys I'm dumb, okay? I'm dumb Asian, so. It keep doing like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I don't know, guys. Okay, United States. Maybe I need to touch my other phone. Okay, set up manually. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. She wants me to choose, and I did. I choose restore from iCloud backup. No, I don't want to do that. Restore from Mac or PC. No, transfer directly from iPhone. That's what I want. Okay, so I click. It keep going back there. I don't know, but anyway, so that's it, and it won't let me. Bring your card for iPad to sign in and set up. Oh, set up. I put it together. Okay, it's nothing, not working. So we'll try to manually. Okay, apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data. Transfer direct. I did this before, but it's not working. Oh.
Back in our community, it's not every day a Champaign resident wins a national competition.
I don't know. Say I click this little guy right here. Do that. Accessibility options. Oh, I don't know.
John was actually the only home baker there. She said she wanted to prove to herself she had what it took
Wow.
to take her skills to the next level.
It's not working. I don't know why.
United States. Okay. Set up new. It says guys, set up new iPhone. This will transfer your current settings. Unlock to continue. Unlock. Okay. Use passcode. I don't have this. Okay. So now set up new iPhone. Use your Apple ID. Continue.
Oh, there you go. Oh. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position on the pattern. Okay, guys. So you see that one, the circle thing, and I got circle thing there too. It says I have to hold. So okay, I'm not really good at following instructions, guys. That's why me and my husband we always fight all the time, because when you told me to go left, I go right. So we'll see. Okay, we'll see if we figure this out. So it says I have to hold. So I have to put this and hold this. Oh, there you go. Finish on new iPhone. Okay, it says now. Enter passcode of.
Your other iPhone. Okay. Okay. That's next. And so then the other one was thinking. So hopefully I'm not gonna get this on both your phones. So next is transfer your data. You can then transfer your data later. I'll finish downloading it later.
Terms and condition. Okay. It says, guys, you have two terms. Okay. Of course, in terms, you need to agree. No, duh. It's obvious. Agree. Agree. Okay. Setting up your Apple ID. Okay.
The Apple ID is, hopefully I got it right. You have too many, see? It says verification, your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Okay, second try last one. Sign in. Setting from your other iPhone. Right, it says setting from your other iPhone. Continue. Okay, I said continue. Oh, add cards to pay to send money.
In friends. Oh, I don't want to add card, guys. I don't want to add card. Plus, I don't have a card. I'm poor. I'm broke. I only buy iPhone because, you know, hey, for my YouTube. Oh, set up later in wallet. I'm just gonna say set up later in wallet. Just put later. Oh, Siri. Usually, guys, I tell you that when I speak to Siri, the Siri don't understand what I'm talking because of my accent. So, to use Siri, press and hold the side button or say, "Hey Siri," anytime. Okay. Hey Siri. Say hi. Hey Siri, send a message. Okay, it says set up later. Do I need to set up later? I wanna try this. Siri didn't quite get that. See, I told you. Siri don't understand me. Say, hey Siri, how's the weather? Okay. Say, hey Siri, how's the weather today? I told you that's always her problem. She doesn't understand me. Oh, did I turn it off? Oh, I turned it off. Oh, I told you. Okay, I'm telling Siri. Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Yeah, by asking, but she doesn't understand me. Siri can even make suggestion before. Okay, to use Siri, press and hold the side button or say, press and hold the side button. Press and hold the side. Where's the side button? This is the power. Where's the side button? This? Hey! Oh. Well, it says emergency call. More setting Wi-Fi. Okay. Oh, Siri. To use Siri, press and hold the side button or say, hey Siri anytime. Oh, see, she's lying. It says, say Siri anytime. Hey Siri. Send a message. See? Siri, quiet. Hey Siri, send a message. I already said that. What's wrong with this phone? Set up Siri later. Okay, she gave me the idea. It says the side button. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Press and hold. You mean, hey Siri? Well, it's not working. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. I told you, I don't like, that's why I don't like instructions, you know, because I'm so dumb. We'll see the other side. Hey Siri. Press and hold the side button. Maybe both. Hey Siri. Oh, now I try to turn it off. I don't want to turn it off. Hey Siri. I'm just gonna sit up later. Continue. I see continue. Say, hey Siri. Correct. Send a message. Why she's not talking to me though? Oh, sit up later. Continue. Oh, improve Siri and dictation. Hey, help improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store your audio into. It doesn't matter if I upload my audio thingy because the way I speak, she would still understand me and she like to argue with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share. I don't wanna not now. I'm just gonna not now. About app analytics. Don't share. Oh, at last now it says transferring data from this iPhone. From this iPhone. We'll see how many minutes it will take to transfer my data. So now guys, you see I put the phone together. This is my old phone, the iPhone 10, and then the new one. This is Pro Max, that's why it's huge. Yeah, it's like an iPad. It's 21 minutes remaining, so we'll see you later. I don't want to keep videoing here for 21 minutes and all you can see is this thing keep moving and you're gonna fall asleep. Okay guys, after 22 minutes, so here it is now. So all my app was downloaded to this new one, my iPhone 12 Pro. So everything from here was gone. It's here now. So I'm gonna open this so that you can see. And then I'm gonna open my other phone too. Yeah, you see that? Yep. See, I transferred it over there. So some of the app you see is still downloading, still waiting. Yeah, I got tons of apps, so it's still waiting. But you know, everything was right there, and we'll see if it works. I'm going to try to call my husband. Let's see on my phone. Oh, I can make a call. It says call failed. I get Wi-Fi. I don't know. Say call failed. Maybe I have to call my phone service. But I don't know. But this is my unboxing video for today. So far, I did transfer all my data here, so I think it's a pretty good sign, knowing that I'm not really good of following directions, but hey, I think it's a success right there. Yeah, I made it. And then about my service on my AT&T, because I tried to make a call and I can make a call, so I have to call them and or maybe ask my husband, but right now he's asleep, so I don't want to bother him. Maybe he's gonna I was like, oh, you're too much, I was gonna be mad. It's like, okay, just have your old phone, and then but anyway, yeah, see, and I have to recap. You see the sizes. Yeah, camera right there. Oh, let me try. What's my camera on this? Too bad my camera is not here yet. I could show you what's gonna be my picture, if I look pretty or not. But my husband, the one my daughter using right now, he has the iPhone 12, and it's really good. The camera is really nice. I can tell you how many gigabytes, blah 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 blah. What those computer geek people talk, because these terms I don't know those stuff. So I'm just telling you, they have a nicer camera. It make my face clear and I look so pretty. And hey, that's what it matters to me. I told you that. That's what it is. But right now I'm still thinking, so I can give you the proof that I would really look pretty with this new phone, but hopefully it will. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you subscribe, you're already there anyway. Just click the notification bell. It says they're personalized. Click the all so that you will be notified as long if I post a new video. Yeah, so thank. Hey guys, I know earlier I said bye, but I just remember that the reason why my phone is not working because earlier I transferred all my data from this old iPhone 10 to my new iPhone 12, right, Pro. But you know, when I use it, try to make a call, I can make a call. Of course, I can make a call because, you know, come on, it's obvious because I don't have a SIM card on this. I said I have to call AT&T. Of course, you don't have SIM card, you don't have number, you don't have a carrier. So I figured, you know, that's the reason why I can make a phone call, because I use this. And then I call my husband phone and I can still make a phone call, and I just realized, oops, it's because I don't have the SIM card. So I have to take out the SIM card in this and put it here. Okay?
See, there's the SIM card, guys. Just use this. You can see. You see the bottom right there has a hole. Just put it. You see. Take out. There's the SIM card. Okay, I drop it. Then I'm gonna put this back before I lose it. Okay, put it in the old phone. Then I'm gonna go to this other menu phone. See that? Then we'll see if this would work. Yeah, you see the hole? Just poke it. Just poke that hole. You see that thing? Come out. Take it out. There you go. Take it out. Then just put in your SIM card. There you go. There's my SIM card now. As you can see, the little thing. Then I will put it back. There you go. Now see if I can make a phone call now. I'm going to call my son. Just my son. I will call my husband. Bother him.
There you go, guys. Can you hear it? Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me? I'm trying to set up my new iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay, then it worked now. You see, guys, it worked now. I talked to my son because I don't have the SIM card, obviously, right? Yeah. But anyway, that's it, guys. It's a success. I already transferred my all my data here from the new one, and now my phone works. Yay! First time in history, D got it right. T-Life in USA got it right, guys. So, guys, again, thank you for watching. Bye.